Much shit on this hoodie. It's dry though, so that's even better. Let me see if I gotta roll it off. No, hell no. Ain't no rolling this shit off. So, and I can sit here and chill right here for now. I'm gonna chill here, right here for now. So, try to take these twigs off. Oh, there's so much twigs. Let me check. See what I can do it. There's so much. Oh shit. Let me just position my weight right here. I didn't even get down yet. I got so much shit over there. So you know your ass had shit good. This is so much shit. It's more than last time actually. It's about to take all day. They did a U-turn over there. Look. You act like I don't see his motherfucking ass. Look. He act like I don't see his motherfucking ass. Nigga, I see you. He act like I don't see his ass. He's sitting over there chilling. He right there. He parked right there. The other dude turned the other way with that white I think that's a Chevrolet. What's that? Right here. I'm gonna keep it focused right here for a couple of seconds. Somebody over there. It's another person. Can I see? Can you see them? Right there. You can see them. So, I got so much shit right here. And you can't really roll it off. You gotta pick the shit up one by one. There's a person right there. I'm trying to see if I can get down. Get down. Let me get down. Right here. Can I get down from right? Yeah. I could drop down. I can drop down from there. I don't feel like it. I ain't done my legs, so I just don't feel like it. So I'm about to sit right here and chill. Not my business. I pick this shit off my pants. I'm gonna individually pick this shit off my pants. I'm good. Shit. Nice little spot right here. Shit. What the fuck is that? Is that burnt tire? Burnt something. Alright, we're gonna sit right here. Nice little spot right here. Somebody put a bed right here. Somebody be sleeping right here. I don't know where to hook this up at or put this down at. But yeah. I know which way I gotta go straight down that way, so I'm going straight down that way. You shouldn't be testing that shit. They know where I'm at. They drive past, throwing images into my head. I'm talking about the images of the dog. No, running up on me. I'm not traumatized by that. I was like, do I want to get into a fight with this dog? I know I can win, but I don't really want to. As long as I got a stick, I can win. Cause that dog only got one mouth. I know I can win. Somebody said, sleep right here on this. I wouldn't sleep right there because, it's kind of dangerous. You got mold on them. Like, if you sleep on a couch like this, just get you some plastic and put it on top of this couch. If you sleep over here and you just sleep and say, fuck, I don't trust nobody, I'll just sleep whatever I want to. Get you some plastic. Put some plastic over here, then sleep on that shit. Cause don't sleep on that shit because you got, like, mold and shit. Like, good thing it ain't that cold today. Like, good thing it ain't that cold. I'm at 46 seconds. Do I want to cut this video short? I'm gonna cut this video short. I might find some shit that I can sit on, but I'm not gonna have you sit here and watch me remove fucking sticker bugs off this bitch. I can't find a person like a spot that anchorish on. Especially if I'm doing it one arm. Bro, stop being nosy. Nosy ass. Nosy ass on as well. Waiting for me to waiting for me to do something. So I know where you at. I said good, nigga. I said, you ain't no female. What you worry about me for? Ain't nobody trying to give me no meow wow. No meow wow. That's how y'all said. Like bang yang and meow yang. He's after me. I ain't get down yet. They right there though. What is that? Ain't got no number on it. It's getting cold as hell though. Making it cold. What y'all doing? Let me see. It's all on my. That shit is everywhere. On the back too. That shit everywhere. Let me what the fuck? How am I gonna sit this shit? But yeah. I'm making it cold as hell. I got down. I don't know what they doing. I want me to keep on going, but I would rather sit right here and remove this shit than be in that fucking house. I be telling people I would rather sit right here and remove this shit than be in that motherfucking house, bro. The niggas rather I rather watch the paint on the walls dry anywhere else than be in the fucking house with him. Or those people that them and the people that they associate with torturing me every day. I just rather be somewhere else and sit somewhere, and chill somewhere. That's my I'm sorry for people who are gonna suffer right here, but shit, I'm just gonna have to sit here and like they're gonna have to deal with it for a while. I can't do one by one. It's gonna take all day. It ends right here. You can see the shit ends right here. So it ends right here. I'm just sitting chilling right now. Nice quiet place to chill at. Non-game related place. Non-game related. I'm just saying, they make me talk again, bro. So you hear me talking, just talking, saying some random shit, they just make me talk. Here they come, beeping. Oh, beeper. They over there too. I don't know if they're making noise, but they over there. That nigga picking shit from off his legs. It's getting cold too. Well, it's hot. This shit crazy. I gotta find a new method. Scratch these bitches. They gotta find new ways to get that shit off of it. Then granted, they following me over here. So shit. Using switches. Like, you can go one day without using that. Yeah, they zapping me now. Agitating me. Like, I can't even walk through. If that nigga don't even walk through, they just gonna go to the hospital or something. The switches again. So she's coming through, or she's doing it herself. No, it's a lot of money. My young. Oh shit. I dropped. Look at this shit. Wally about to drop. Put it right here. No. I'm gonna cut this real quick. So I can't find no place. I can't find no spot to put this at. So I'm gonna have to cut it. So I'll start the video then. I don't want to be wasting battery space. They zapping. That's all they do. Look. You just come past zapping with your hurt hating ass. This is a hurt hating ass motherfucker. Hurt hating ass motherfuckers. What's that? So yeah, hurt hating ass motherfuckers. Let me cut this video. Gotta be long. I look like I'm gonna have to record.